Our friends, today's unboxing Flipkart product, Flipkart Big Billion Day offer. Like this, purchase this one. Just inside what inside? I don't know because we have too many product book. Before start the video, please like and video, subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing? Check in the top I button. Have more videos. Oh, this one board, Bluetooth combo. See how many now I purchase. One. One. Two. Two more also coming there. This is what the fast track sunglass. This is our Realme trimmer. Just two more, actually it's two more, three more I think coming there. This is a good offer there. That's why I purchased this. See Bluetooth quality 0.5. This one Bluetooth version there. So get very good price, 799 something there. The actual price is 1.2 something there. There's two more coming, guys. This is orange color, the Bhagwa color, Bhagwa. This is black, everybody private. There, this is Realme trimmer. This is fast track sunglass. Okay guys, like this video, share this video. Need more video like this unboxing? Check in the buy button. I'll give you one by one piece to open boxes.